Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve Spotify algorithm. To know how to fix or solve Spotify algorithm, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you'll enter to the window of Spotify. When you find this list of app and for you click on first stop and and you click OK. Here we go to click on storage. When you find this page, we click OK. Here on clear cache. Then we go to click Play Store. If you will find updates in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.